Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a sort command in Stata to identify unusual values in your variable, and then how to remove it or replace it with a reasonable values. So let's see, we have a variable called SPB, which is systolic blood pressure. So now as it stands in the data set, it's here SPB. It is now not sorted, right? So you see it's higher number and lower number and higher, so it's not sorted. So what we're going to do is to sort this variable. So what sort does is basically put them in an increasing order. So now you see SBP variable now from it's sorted in increasing order with the lowest value at the first, and then it increases thereon. So and if you go all the way to, so when you sort, then you can see if you have the unusual values towards the end, right, or towards the beginning. So now you see after 254, the last observation is 720, which is basically realistically not a possible value. So it could have been a typo, right? Because systolic blood pressure cannot be such high. Therefore, you identified by using the sort command this unusual value. Now what you do about it? So this value is in 1268 row. So you can replace this value with something else like 255 or something. So if you want to replace it, you can use the command replace SBP equals let's say 255 in I have to look at the row number again because you have to specify the row number 1268 and hit enter. So one real change made. Let's see what happens there. We replace it by 255. That is a realistically possible value, right? So now after 254 you see 255. But let's say we want to drop this value altogether. So what you do is write the command drop SBP equals 255. I hope this works. Invalid name drop, oh okay, drop if. Yeah, now it works. So one observation deleted. So let's go back there again and see if that worked. So yeah, 1267 observations, so 1268 has been removed from this data set. So we no longer have that one in our data set. So highest value is basically you can check is SBP. So the highest value is 255, and it was so we dropped 255. Now it is the highest value is 254. So this is how you use the sort command to identify unusual values, but at the same time you can, after identifying the unusual values, you can remove it or from the data set, or you can replace the value with a reasonable value. But there's another way of doing it, as I showed it in one of the previous tutorials. That is a spike plot. Spikeplot is BP. So you see there's a value that is beyond here. So what you do is you can remove any value. So that is 254, we know that. So we're gonna remove this. So using the spike plot, you can also find the unusual value and remove it from your data set or replace it with something else, right? So as I have shown you before. So after identifying this, similarly you can use the replace command, or you can use the drop command to remove it from the data set. So the concept is quite similar, but you can also use your drop command to say okay, drop if SBP if it is greater than like 250. Okay, so use greater than sign and hit enter. So one observation deleted, and use the spike plot again, hit enter, and you see there's no value after 250. It has been removed. So this is another way of identifying the unusual value and remove it from your dataset. Thanks for watching. Please, if you have any comments or any questions, please let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.